Good afternoon. Maraming nagtatanong anong nangyari sa akin. Bakit ako ng hospital? I just like to share my story para yung mga elderly, mga senior citizens mag-ingat. So, ang ano ng story ko, ang pinaka leksyon ay since I was since I retired at 65, hindi naman ako nagkaroon ng mga check-up. So I forgot that that is what I say, the sin of omission. Nakalimutan kong magpa-check up magkaroon ng executive check-up for my health. I was trusting I was healthy, but I'm already 69, and at 69 ay bumagsak ako sa CR. So bakit bumagsak ako sa CR? Siyempre, may ginawa sa CR. Nagdeposito. But, ang pinagmulan niyan po, galing po ako sa church, tapos, it was very hot, and then, nagpunta kami sa Busay to inspect or pagmarites kung ano itong mga ni Sister Ruth. Sister Ruth ba yan? Sister Ruth. Kung ano yung mga local products niya doon. So, I was really excited. Anong pwede ko itong mapalit or what for the house and for something for souvenir. Okay. So, mainit. It was 12 o'clock. After 12 o'clock, and then pag-uwi na dito sa bahay, kumain ako. Siyempre, nadipasan na ako ng gutom. And then, my tummy does not like that tinolang isda. Tapos, after na nadipasan ako, I had that already before. But I ate that because I really had to eat, or if not, mataas na naman yung yung HB ko. So, after that, in the afternoon, sige na ang vomit. Until, after that, nag-raise disposal ako, nag-blind na yung pangita ko. That, bumagsak ako. Kaya yan. So, napaupo, masakit ang mga puwet. And then, inalo ko ng anak ko, ni-lift up. So, yan, nabugbog yung yung puwet. So, masakit. So, we have to go to the hospital dahil hindi ko na kaya yung sakit. So, that was Sunday. Monday, masakit pa rin. So, Tuesday, they have to carry me via ambulance, get there to Barugo Hospital, then referred to Divine Hospital. So, in Divine Hospital, I had several x-rays, and then nakita doon na yung spinal cord ko, the second bone from the top of the spinal cord was compressed. So that is the diagnosis of the doctor, and then I had to have this position for 2 months. So, pwedeng gumanito lang ako then flat on my back, and then on the other side, yun lang ang pwede kong gawin. But I can move my extremities, my hands, and my feet. Okay? Sana mag-ingat lahat ang mga kagaya ko senior citizens, kasi you have to have check up every year for your high blood, kung ano pa yan, cholesterol, your calcium for your bones, o kung ano-ano pa dyan, kung ano pang meron ka dyan. Okay? Sana panoorin niyo po to para hindi niyo natanungin kung ano nangyari sa'yo, Ma'am Charlie. Okay, thank you. Thank you very much.